Today, we will be testing an interesting mashup between two indicators. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an interesting mashup between two indicators. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 544 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. I will mention that strategy later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an interesting mashup between two indicators. And so the source video says these RSI signals are insane. Now, the source video is pretty straightforward, not a whole lot of fluff to the statement or the title, but I will say again, and I've said this multiple times before in other videos, generally when a source video or someone says that a indicator is giving signals, I expect or think automatically that they are going to be giving very clear buy and sell tags, labels that say buy and sell, or at the very least an arrow pointing up or down, green and red, something along those lines, that there is little doubt as to what you should be doing when that indicator is giving the supposed signals. And so anytime a source video claims that they have an indicator that is giving signals, and then it's an indicator that they give you 2 or 3 different ways of interpreting it, or multiple ways of using a strategy, that none of them have clear buy and sell signals, it's kind of up to you to decipher, then it gets a little bit frustrating sometimes, because it isn't giving clear buy and sell signals. So, rant over, this indicator here does not give clear buy and sell signals. It's up to you to interpret how you want to use this indicator. And the indicator that we have on screen is the RSI Adaptive T3. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And basically, as I said in the beginning of this video, it's a mashup of two different indicators. And so it is the RSI, as you could probably guess, and the T3 indicator. Now, if you want to know more about the individual indicators, then obviously feel free to check them out. We won't go into a lot of detail about the individual components of it, but basically they have adapted a RSI and a T3 indicator to be a little bit more responsive to the market according to the source video. Now, in the source video, they explain that you can use this indicator in a few different ways, and therein lies the problem. It's not giving you clear signals, and so it's up to you to interpret and decipher how you want to use the indicator. And so one way is going to be the coloration shift of the ribbon. And so when it goes green, that's a signal that you should be getting an uptrend soon. When it goes kind of orange, reddish color, that is a signal that we should be getting a downtrend soon. And then alternatively, you can use these bands here, which they explain are similar to Bollinger Bands, where they kind of expand and contract and can be used to identify areas of price action reversal. And they said that you could use any one of those, and they said that you could also change the settings and adapt it to swing trading, or lower the settings and adapt it to scalp trading, or leave it on the default settings. And so as far as giving like I said, clear signals, not so much. It's up to you to kind of interpret how you want to use this indicator. So for a short trade example, what we did was anytime it turned the orange reddish color, that is when we would go short. And so you can see that we get that right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into the short. So we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop at that ribbon, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, you can see how we make this really nice, clean stair step to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for when that ribbon turns green, gives us the diamond right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll set our trade right here. We're going to set our stop right below the ribbon there and target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, you can see this nice stair-stepping action getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 20% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. It means that your total loss would have been $16,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at negative $10,000. And so definitely not a great strategy. As far as an overall indicator, sure, you can make the claim that you can use it multiple ways. Maybe it can augment some already existing strategies that you have, which is completely valid. Maybe add some more confluence, something along those lines. But as far as the source videos claim that you can use it as just a straight up buy and sell signals, definitely not the case. And so I'd definitely be mindful trying to use it that way. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 29 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had right at an 80% win rate and a total gain right at $14,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.